What is up, RC enthusiasts? Back here again today. Short little video for you guys. It's just an accessory, so I just wanted to show you this accessory I got. Check these out right here. These sweet little wheels, right? You got yourself your single set right here, and you got dually style in the rear. These are aluminum, probably, I'm guessing. Aluminum wheels. And they do add some weight down low, so they're pretty cool. And these tires they come with, that's something else. I'll bring you guys closer, and I'll let you see what I'm talking about. Hopefully you can tell, or I'll at least tell you what I'm talking about. So let's get into it. All these wheels and tires do come in this bag right here. I have a couple of sets in here that I didn't put together yet, so I do have 2 tires on the other side that are still the regular tires. So I can show you how to put these together right here, but they all come in this bag, everything you need to put everything together, and even 2 sets of screws that go for your hubs right here. They have the ones that are threaded with the thin, fine threads for the metal outdrives if you do have the metal upgrades on your truck, but if you have the all plastic ones, it comes with the little black screws with the coarse threads to put into these right here. So it does come fully ready for you to put it onto a fully modified rig or a stock rig. So let's go ahead and show you what these wheels look like when they're all apart. So the front wheels are going to be in individual bags right here like this, just the front wheel and all the things you need to put it together. And the rear wheels are going to come in a bag like this, or rims are going to come in a bag like this for the dually setup, and you have to assemble that and put those together as well. Now the tires, they're this kind of tires. Don't know if you guys ever ran these tires before, but this is my first time ever running these tires. You know, they have really good grip. They're really nice grippy tires, but they have no give to them. They are very solid. And the reason I think they're like that is because the actual tire itself right here where the treads are, you could literally have all these treads completely gone and cut new threads into this because there's that much more rubber underneath this sitting there. So there's a lot of rubber underneath there. That's why they're so thick and stuff. So I don't know how they're going to perform. They might do pretty well because they are really, you know, they're grippy, but they don't have any flex. So that's the only thing. So maybe good for carrying a lot of load and stuff, so you don't have to worry about it getting all squished while carrying load. But anyway, let's get to building these 2 right here. I'm trying to keep this video short for you guys just to show you how to put these together. And after that, it's simple to put them on the truck and you'll have yourself a cool looking rig with a nice 6x6 or 10 wheel setup on your 6x6 with dualies in the rear. Let's get onto that. So let's do the simple one first, the front wheel. Let's go ahead and empty out all its contents on the table here. So this one is very simple. It comes with an Allen wrench too that you need to install it, but I'm going to be using my own personal wrench. So here's the hub. That's what's going to slide into your hexes on your tires, and that just goes back here like so. And you just line up the holes. I can't get it to focus on this thing. Yeah, so you just line up the holes right there, and then you get your screws with the Allen heads, these little black ones like this, and you just put them in there and screw them in. And I recommend maybe put some blue Loctite on here so they don't come back out. I'll go ahead and get that done. So that's what it looks like done right there. And then all you're gonna need to do is get your tire and mount it up on there. Now these tires are gonna have to be glued on here, unfortunately, because these are not bead locks, so you're gonna have to glue these tires on here to keep them on. But that's how they look. I'm gonna get to the rear and show you what that looks like. Alright, now on to these guys. Alright, as you can see right here, you got the 2 wheels, and you got to join them together this way. And you're going to see the bolt pattern right there. And as you can tell, the wheels don't line up in all bolt patterns. You actually got to spin them until you get all the spokes to line up together. That's the way I think they look clean, but you can install them either way you want. I'll get these together and show you what those look like. Well, there you go. That's what it looks like fully assembled. Not too hard right there. Just remember, put some Loctite on that stuff, or else it's going to come apart on the trail on you. There you go with the tires on. Now all we got to do is slap it onto this sucker right here. I do have the metal axles in mind, so I'm going to have to use the fine threads and not the coarse threads to install these. So all you gotta do is just put the wheels on there. That's how simple it is, just like the stock ones. And then just screw one of these in there. And same with this front one right here. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Screw those in and you're good. You got yourself more weight down low, nicer tires. They look pretty cool. They don't really have that much give to them though, so maybe good for carrying a lot of load if you're one of those kind of guys. Well, that's it, guys. You guys have a good one. Have fun. Go run that RC.